Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making Korean pancakes and we're going to have it with some makgeolli, which is a Korean rice wine. And in Korea, they have Korean pancakes on rainy days because they say that the sound of the pancake sizzling in the oil resembles the sound of the raindrops hitting the windows. And they always pair it with makgeolli because they say the combination is perfect. So we ended up having makgeolli at home and it's not raining or anything, but we're like, but why not just make it? So we're going to make that, but we're going to be making 3 different kinds. One with kimchi, one with chives, and one with potatoes. And we're going to put all 3 of them into one. And I'm not even gonna bother explaining because I'm not that great at it. You guys will just have to stay tuned to see what I'm talking about. So let's go take a look at the ingredients. When you guys walk into the Korean grocery store, there's a frying mix and a pancake mix. So technically, I think most people just use the Korean pancake mix, but my mom makes it really crispy and thin. So her tip is to use 50% frying mix and 50% pancake mix. So we're gonna work on the kimchi pancake first. I'm just gonna separate the kimchi water from the kimchi. Now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of each of the powders. Another tip with the water is that the water needs to be ice cold for the pancake to be very crispy. We'll go ahead and add an 1/8 cup of water to this. And then we'll add the kimchi. Now we have our chives and we're gonna cut it into like 1-inch pieces. We're gonna place this all in a bowl. Have a 1/3 of each of the frying powder and the pancake powder. I'm just gonna combine it into one. And then I'll add a 1/2 cup of ice cold water to this, along with an 1/8 cup. Okay, now we'll just give this a mix. Add a 4th teaspoon of the salt. Give it a quick mix. Okay, now I'm just gonna add my chives in. And give it a mix. I'm gonna peel this potato. Now that I've peeled the potato, I'm gonna go ahead and grate the potato. To put it on a strainer. So this process, it helps us to separate potato from the water that it is releasing. You will probably see some color change from the oxidation, but it's all fine. When you fry it, it just stays golden. The pinkish reddish color has no effect on it. Okay, so the potato, the water has all been released. So if you guys look, there's a water separation. And let me throw this water out for you. And you guys are able to see at the bottom, all of that is the potato starch. So I'm just gonna add all of the potato starch. And if you guys like it very crispy, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of the cornstarch. And to the potatoes, we're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of some salt. And now let's get frying. Set this on high heat, and I'm gonna put in a shallow pool of oil. You need a lot more oil than you think, so it's just gonna cover probably the entire pan. Place each of the pancakes into a 1/3 of the pan. So I'll start with the potato. Make it as thin as possible, because then it gets you the crispiest pancake. Add the kimchi. And lastly, the chives. Ready? Yay! And now for the sauce. We just need some soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. So we need a teaspoon of the soy sauce and then a 1/2 teaspoon of the rest. I'll just mix this around. Add some toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it. Go.
Don't tell me what to do.
Go. Oh, okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and make sure to try it out. If you guys want to make all three of them separately, that's fine. I just wanted to show you guys all of it in one presentation and make it look kind of cool and different. But I hope you guys try this out with the makgeolli. So make sure to like and subscribe and comment below for any feedback or questions. And we'll see you guys again next time. Bye!